Greetings to all. This is Anhaj Srihari from Karne NST and my register number is UR15CS250. This is my fifth experiment for the networking lab, and the title of the experiment is dynamic routing. The aim of the experiment is that to enable dynamic routing for a scenario using the network 192.168.1.0/24. So let's see what it is. This is before coming on to the experiment, we did a experiment before, that is static routing. This is dynamic routing. So this difference between static routing is dynamic routing is that in static routing it's predefined. The packets the path is predefined by the user, and the packet goes in the same path which is defined, and then there is no change in the path. That path is taken as optimum path, and if there is any damage in the path, or if the end system is has errors, it does not checks that. But in the dynamic system, dynamic routing, it changes, or you can say it chooses its own path, and takes its optimum path and goes to the delivers the packet to the end devices. That is, if you have to deliver a packet from here to here, it will dynamic routing will choose its own path using its routing techniques, and it will reach the end devices. But if there is error in the end devices or path, it will also take care of the path or take another path. So I have already created the scenario here, which you have to do. Now here we have as we see 8 networks, that is 4 LANs and 4 WANs, and let's see, we have to, this is pass a packet from this device to this device using the onion routing. Let's see how it's done. We'll put in simulation mode. Okay. So I have to ping 192.168.1.97. that is the IP address of the end device we have to send, which we have to send. Now it's pinging, you can see that. This is how the packet goes, like this, and reaches the end devices, and then end device sends a reply message to the PC. So that was my dynamic routing. Thank you.